Alright, let's try again. I think I'm a little too excited. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan. I am a licensed cosmetologist, professional makeup artist, lover of theatrics, SZA, and Halloween. So if you guys are into those things too, will you please do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up and go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and let's jump into the tutorial. Alright, so in this video, she is very skin driven. There's not a whole lot really going on with her eyes, so the main focus today is going to be the skin. So to achieve that look, we're going to use some highlights and really just kind of keep it dewy and fresh. So I've gone ahead and mixed my Duraline and illuminating veil together to create kind of a thin consistency, and we're just going to go ahead and lay this all over our face. One thing I forgot to mention, I also use my squalene oil as a base since we are doing a very dewy look. I'm going to take these two colors. This is my MAC Pro Concealer palette, and I'm going to create a little bit of a contour. Not a heavy contour because this look is very light, very natural. So I still have a little bit of that illuminating veil and Duraline mix. I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on top of this so that my foundation mixes with the reflect, and I'm just going to lay that all over my face. Next up, we're going to go in with ABH's Ebony Brow Gel, and we're going to define our brows. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my P. Louise base in 07, and we're going to lay that all over our lid. Blend everything out. So it looks like she has a subtle contour in this video, so I'm going to go ahead and take this color right here and I'm going to lay that on my lid and a little bit in through my nose, or on the sides of my nose. So now taking my Danessa Myricks palette, I'm going to go ahead and dip into color Fruit Cocktail, and we're going to start to lay down the eye. In this video it looks like she has it going kind of straight out, so we're just going to wing it straight out. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and fill in the lid. I'm gonna switch brushes. This one's a little bit too thick or dense. I'm gonna switch over to a concealer brush that's easier for me to work with.
Now we're going to go ahead and dip into the Jackie Aina ABH palette, and we're going to take color Supreme and lay that right over top of where we just laid down the pink.
Now I'm going to go ahead and mix these two concealers before we move on with the rest of the eye look.
The only thing I wanna do, I wanna forget where I came from, where there's no getting over you. I am fine by myself, 'cause I won't be here alone. No, no, you don't know what you got. You don't know when.
Now taking the same brush I used for my foundation, I'm just going to blend it all in. Taking One Size translucent powder, I'm just going to go ahead and set underneath my eyes.
Stay high when bullets fly. Out of reach, won't be coming down. I can't wait till it's over. I can't wait till it's.
Now I'm going to go ahead and take Point Made One Size, and I'm going to lay a very thin line on top of the pink.
I won't spend
Now I'm going to take NYX's white liner and I'm going to trace over the black liner that I just put down. Now I'm just going to clean up that black liner just a little bit. Now taking that same white eyeliner, I'm going to draw 2 dots underneath my eyes. She looks like she has some pretty subtle lashes in this video, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw on some demi wispies. It also looks like she has some bottom lashes in this video. I don't have any lashes that are small enough, so I'm just going to go ahead and take my black NYX liner and I'm going to draw a couple lashes on the bottom. Looks like she also has a little top highlight running down her nose, so I'm going to take this goldy color from my Dior Flash palette and I'm going to go down my nose. I'm also going to put a little bit on my cheeks and I think on my chin as well.
I'm gonna go ahead and use Blackmail. This is Urban Decay, and we're just gonna outline our lips, and then we're gonna fill it in with 2 lip glosses.
Deep down inside, I know you could be my remedy.
Now taking Max Spice and Purr, I'm gonna go ahead and mix those and throw it on my lip.
There you go, guys. This is my completed makeup SZA look from the music video Kiss Me More. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, will you please do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up? And also, if you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you. I upload videos weekly, and I'd love to see you guys next week.